What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. There are so many new AI tools coming up every week, and a lot of people are wondering what are the actual use cases of all these AI products. Can we actually make money by using them? So in this video we are gonna find out straight with the first-hand experience, can we actually make money by using AI products? And this is one of the coolest little known side hustles that I found. A lot of people are claiming they're making up to $100 per day using this little known trick. So without further ado, let's get started and get straight into action into this little known side hustle. What we are gonna do in this video, we are gonna try to sell the 3D models for 3D printing. There is a website called cult3d.com. You can see it right now on your screen, and these are best sellers that they have. You can see they're making dragons, frogs, dancing skeletons, dragons, dinosaurs, monkeys, and all of this stuff can be 3D printed, and a lot of people are buying this kind of stuff. You can see the price is €3, €2, €2, €12, €3. So everything is on sale right here. So our idea is to create our own account, make our own 3D products using the free AI tools we could find, and then we can start selling them. And I know what you're wondering. You'll probably say, I don't know how to 3D model, I don't know anything about 3D printing, but don't worry. Bear with me, because I'm gonna show you step by step what we're gonna do to make this work for us. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we need to brainstorm. We need to actually understand what kind of products people are gonna buy, because we don't want to make useless 3D products that nobody gonna buy. So I'm going to research using ChatGPT search tool, and I asked to come up with top 10 most popular 3D models for 3D printing. And you can see we have 3D Banshee, Baby Groot, low poly Pikachu, artificial dragon, and we have fidget spinner, phone stand. There are a lot of popular products that people are actually buying. Art. Another one, I asked for more ideas. Here we have another dragon, gecko, toy, and we have an astronaut. Here we have cute plexi sloth, another dragon, and here's one more dinosaur. So from what I see here, it sounds like the dinosaurs and dragons is a popular trend right now, and we can verify it on the website. So if I go back to cult3d.com, in the bestsellers category, we can see that dragons is probably one of the top popular category right now. So that's exactly what we are gonna try to sell in this video. What we need to do is come up with the model of printable cute baby dragon, and we're gonna try to sell it. Now I know you're wondering, what if I don't know anything about 3D? But don't worry, bear with me. There are free tools. Well, they're commercial tools, but they give you free credits, so that's more than enough to get you started. It's called Meshy. This one, they produce high quality images out. They produce high quality 3D models out of the images in a matter of clicks. And the second one is called triple3d.ai. Again, that's producing high quality 3D models ready for export and for sale out of the prompt or the image. So they're gonna try it right now. They give us a lot of credits when we sign up, so let's get going. Let's start with text to 3D. I'm gonna use prompt cute baby dragon for 3D printing from Clash Royale. Let's see how it goes. So this is from Meshy. And the same I asked for Tripod 3D. So let's see how it goes. I'm also using the best generator called FLUX on Replicate. Look at this beauty. It looks just amazing. I think this one is a winner here, so I'm gonna save this one. And here we have Meshy. It gave us 4 variations here. Which one is the cutest? They all look super cute. Maybe this one. Yeah. Let's try to generate this one with a texture. And while I'm waiting, let's do image to 3D. And I'm putting my flux generation here. Let's see how this turns out. Meanwhile, we have the dragon from Triple. This came from the text to 3D. They all look quite cute. Which one do you like, guys? Let me know in the comments below. I guess with an open mouse it will be harder to print. So we can keep this one. And we can click and see it full screen. So this one came up from Triple. Super cute one. I really love it. Super high quality from all sides. It's really amazing what you can do in just a couple of clicks. Let's see all other options and then we'll choose the winner together. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna ask Triple image to 3D just to compare which ones turns out better. Let's see what we get here. And here we got the first result of text to 3D from Meshy. Look at that. Also super adorable. I just love how it turned out. Super cute, adorable. And Meshy can also even animate it, texturize, stylize, remesh. Super cool. And we can even download it here. To sell it, we need to use STL format, don't forget about it. But also good to have OBJ as well. So this one is ready from Triple. This is image from Flux to 3D. Look at this highest quality. I really love how it turned out. It's super cute. I just love it. And this is the text to 3D. Also super cute. I really struggle choosing which one is the cutest of all. They're just so adorable. And I just love them. Both are perfectly fit to sell. And I just love them. Maybe we should sell them all. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments below. And this one is from Meshy. It's just as adorable, if not more. It's amazing. I don't like its eyebrows though. The texture is not as clean. I think Triple did a better job for eyebrows. What do you think, guys? Let me know. I think eyebrows are better here. All of them are cute, so I really struggled to choose the winner here. But let's go with the Flux one that we got right here. We need to click download button. We need to choose. We can choose different formats. And you can see we need to choose STL for printing. And then you click download. Don't forget to rename because you don't want to appear like you're doing AI generations. So always rename your zip archives and STL files. It's also good to save OBJ format because some people love to have OBJ for other purposes. For example, if they're making a game, they need OBJ. Let's download it as well. After I saved OBJ, we need also to make a couple of screenshots. Choose the coolest, most adorable angle and let's hit print screen and we make a screenshot. Just like that. Alright, everything is ready to go. Let's go back to calls.com and create upload and add 3D model back here. Now, on the right side, we're going to choose the files. I'm adding our zip archive with OBJ and STL file for printing. Now we just need to write the name, adorable baby dragon for 3D printing, and game assets. Now we just need to write the description. I'm gonna ask Perplexity to write the description. Alright, let's get it done. Perplexity or ChatGPT can get it done in a minute. Let's just copy everything. We're gonna put it right here. Maybe I just add some spacing, because it got everything squeezed together. Alright, looks great. Okay, you can do it. You can add game assets, but this website doesn't allow to do game assets. What kind of game? Architecture, I guess this is from the game. Alright. Toys. Yeah. Or magic. You can choose super detailed action figures. You can choose it yourself, guys. Set the keywords. Alright. And then hit next. Oh yeah, we forgot to add the photos. So yeah, we upload the photos and then hit next. On the final stage, we can set our price and the license type. For example, you can set commercial use, and then you can set the price right here. You get 80% of the sale.
How you set the price? Check what top sellers, what price they're using. I see it's around 3 euros and a little bit more. So I'll set the same price. Let's just set a little bit more, little bit less, 2.49, something like this, and then
we can hit publish. And just like that, our adorable baby dragon for 3D printing is ready to go for 2.49 euros. Look at this, photos looks amazing. And everything looks in order. You can already start buying it. So, there you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this tutorial and if you were able to make good sales with your 3D assets. And before I go, just an extra tip, it doesn't have to be only about 3D printing. You can make 3D assets for the games, game assets, and start selling them on websites like CG Trader, Turbo Squid, 3D Ocean, and many others. Ask ChatGPT to provide you with a list of websites, and you can even start selling on Fiverr. So there are a lot of places where you can start making your own 3D models and start selling them. That's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like this side hustle and what you think about it, if you were able to make some money, and what other AI tools you use to make money in this industry. Have an amazing year, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.